Hi, my name's Anthony from designcoursesonline.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you a basic shape manipulation tutorial inside of Photoshop CS6. I'm going to start by going to File, New, and I'm going to open up a preset I've already made, A4 Landscape. In a separate video I will show people who don't know already how to make their own preset pages. For example, I have A4 Landscape, A4 Portrait, and I have business card size. For now, I'm going to stick with the A4 landscape. For people who don't know, the landscape is more width than height, as to where a portrait is more height than width. This is an A4 piece of paper, basically turned sideways. So I prefer to work in a landscape canvas. It gives you more area to work with. So I'm now going to go to my elliptical marquee tool, just up here, and I'm going to hold down the left mouse button, and as you can see here, it's bringing me a circular selection, but it's not a perfect circle. So if you're happy with something like this for maybe like a logo, then take that selection. But I want a perfect circle, so I'll hold down the shift key whilst doing this, and as you can see there, it gives you a perfect circle. No matter how small or how big you want it, it'll be a perfect circle. So I'm going to go with just this here. Now I want to make this on a new layer so I can move it around the page after we complete it. So over in the layers panel here, I'm going to just click on the new layer panel down the bottom here, and as you can see, it comes up with layer 1. Because we only have a selection and we don't have an actual drawing yet, this selection will automatically apply to the layer which is active here. So if I click on the background, it will copy onto this white page, and if I click on layer 1, it'll copy onto layer 1. If I hide the background, you can see that is what the drawing, like the circle, is going to be put onto. That's the canvas it's going to be put onto, and not the white background. So I'm going to leave layer 1 active, and now I'm going to show you how to manipulate the shape before we draw the shape. Now I'm going to hold down the Alt key, and if you watch the mouse cursor, you will see a symbol in the shape of a minus appear next to the cursor, which means as long as I hold down the Alt key, I can take away from this shape. So I'm going to now right click the marquee tools up here and get the rectangular marquee tool out, still holding down Alt. I'm now going to drag out another shape, and it cuts it in half. I'm now going to let go of the Alt key. Now if you want to add a selection to the section we already have there, you hold down the Shift key, and as you can see on the mouse cursor, we have a plus sign. So now I'll just take a square, draw inside here, poke it out a little bit like this, and there we have that shape. Now I want to colour this shape in, so I'm going to right click, and I have a load of options here, but I just want fill, and you have a colour panel. You have foreground colour, background colour, colour, content aware, pattern, history, black, grey, white. We're going to just hit the colour. We'll colour this in red, that's fine for now, and I'm going to push OK. And then you have an opacity here. Basically, opacity is asking you how vibrant you want the colour to be. Do you want it to be full red? Do you want it to be like see-through? Like if you're doing pattern overlays where you want to lap it over something else, you can bring down the opacity. It's like transparency, so you can see through it. But I want it 100%, so I'm going to click OK. And now you could go up to select and deselect, which is get rid of the line all the way around there, or you could just push Control D, which on this case I'm going to do, and there I have my custom shape. Now there's millions of shapes you can make in Photoshop, and this is just a quick tutorial to show you how easy it could be done, how creative you can be with your custom shapes within Photoshop. And now because we put this on a new layer, as you can see, I can drag this any way I want. I can also go up to edit, and I can go to free transform, or Control T is the command. I'm going to push Control T, and as you can see here, I can manipulate this by spinning it round. If I hold shift, it goes round in increments, as you see here. If I let go of shift, it's smooth. And you can also scale it down. If I hold shift and alt, you can see it drags all four corners at the same time. Thanks for watching the video, and if anyone's interested in learning graphic design on all levels, please visit the website designcoursesonline.co.uk. Thanks for watching.